Hey guys, this is Tyler Kelly with Keystone RV Reign over here at Keith's Trailers. This is year number 2 for this cool looking product line. And this is my 13RK right here, our smallest model that we make. We'll start off at the front. This is a premium single axle travel trailer, so it's gonna have a lot of features that others don't. Start off, we do an electric power tongue jack, not the manual one, so it's simple, just a press of a button, you can level this thing. 2 LP tanks. Some single axle travel trailers will only give you 1, where we're doing 2. We also have a neat little feature there that's a Keystone exclusive feature called the Giggy Box. It was designed by an engineer named Brad Giggy, and what it does is it consolidates your 12-volt wiring. So the 220 watts of solar that is on this trailer that comes standard will feed directly into it and run your lights, your slide out, where applicable, your 12-volt refrigerator, and your 12-volt smart TV. So right now, if it was not, snowy and a snowstorm outside, we could run the lights, the slide out, the 12-volt refrigerator on one of our campers because of that feature. Really cool Keystone exclusive feature. We have it on a Norco BAL Huck bolt chassis. A lot of people see it and think it's aluminum because we painted it. But it's not. It's American-made steel, so it's higher quality than imported steel. It's also huck bolted like planes are, right? Instead of a ton of welds, you just bolt it just like a plane. So better structural stability than other campers. Now, the big thing with this is obviously the appearance. This is not a fiberglass trailer. It is a laminate aluminum travel trailer. We import it from a vendor in the Netherlands known as Euromax, and it is an 040 gauge aluminum, just like the old Airstream, so very heavy duty. You're getting a 10-year color and gloss retention guarantee on the paint job, which is huge. Right, where a lot of campers, you go to a campground, they dim, they fade. This is going to hold its finish. If it doesn't, you're going to be covered. Not only that, if you dent it, you can pull it out with dent repair. And if it gets some sort of catastrophic damage, it can be repaired with Bondo, just like a car door. We do magnetic slam latch baggage doors, just a little bit more of a premium camping experience. You don't have to worry about the manual ones falling off, hitting your head. And we do a full pass-through storage as well, and it's inverter prepped. You'll notice on the front and on the side, you have our edge view exterior lighting, which is really neat. I call it the party lights. So you can turn them up, turn them down, or if you don't like them, you can just turn them off. You have that option. It's really cool. It's a party camper, right? It looks awesome going down the road. I have my nice frameless tinted windows. Pairs well with the glass entry door. And you can actually, because of where the hinges, you can open them up when it rains. Big deal. Underneath over here, we're going to be on a Dexter Tourflex axle with independent suspension. This is kind of an off-roadish camper, right? It can go places where others can't because of the suspension system and the tires we have on it. A benefit to the Tourflex axle is when you're going down the road, what happens to your camper? That road shock will go throughout the camper, and it could affect things internally, where there's a piece of rubber that feeds into this axle that's going to absorb that road shock and help you have a smoother towing experience with this camper. The underbelly is fully enclosed as well, so you don't have to worry about rocks and other things kicking up underneath there. And we do an upgraded mud guard here too, just to help protect against potential blowouts. On the inside here, you can't see into the floor, but what we do is a fully composite floor called the Hyperdeck floor. There's no wood in it. And another thing, my sidewalls also don't have any wood as well. It's a full composite sidewall and floor camper, which is big. A big problem is you take this, campers that have wood in them, and you get a little bit of water, it can rot the frame, rot the sidewalls, and then you're toast. You're in trouble. Where this one, you don't have to worry about that. We'll come inside here. One big thing about my camper on the inside is my countertops that you'll see up here. These are from a supplier known as Wilson Art. They supply schools, hospitals, starting to go in homes. Not as clunky as other solid surface countertops. And you can actually put a hot cast iron skillet on them as well. Or a lot of campers, if you do that, it's going to bubble up and destroy the countertops. This is one of the biggest inside features on the Reign travel trailers here. I hit on the outside about my 12-volt smart TV that can run off your solar. It's also got a built-in JBL speaker for you as well, which is a big deal. My cabinetry is similar material to a pressed countertop, so it's highly resistant to water damage. But also, you don't have to worry about the sharp corners on it. When you have cabinet drawers, sometimes you have the really sharp edges. You can bang yourself on them, whatever. You don't have to worry about that with this. We do a nice 2-burner, oversized 2-burner stovetop on this. A lot of people, they comment, well, I want 3 or 4 burners. Well, a lot of times when you have 3 burners, you're not going to be able to even fit 3 pans on there. And if you have 4 burners, power draw for each one of them is a real thing. A lot of times if you have the 4-burner stovetop, you're not going to be able to draw sufficient power to even get the 4th one really heated up. We do a nice waterfall sink with retractable faucet, north to south, east to west option. Nice deep bowl there, just some extra room for you to put your bowls, dishes, whatever. We also do a little dedicated trash can storage center underneath the sink. Plenty of room there. Now on the inside, you'll notice I have my strip lights and then some puck lights throughout. And the strip lights on a dimmer switch. So at night, or even the puck lights as well. Yeah, they're tied into it. Not this one, the one's behind the bed and everything. Gives you a little bit of customization inside here, right? You want to dim it down, it's late at night, you're with your honey, whatever. On the inside of the bathroom here, when you step in, you'll notice on the back wall, a lot of people think when they're on the outside, that's a camera. That's actually our Max air fan. It's small but mighty. It's going to give you really good ventilation inside of that bathroom. In the shower, you're going to have the upgraded oversized shower head. A lot of manufacturers do the really small one. That one's considerably bigger. And we also have the big skylight in there. It's going to give taller people a little bit extra wiggle room inside the bathroom. Also, one big thing is we do a 42K on-demand tankless water heater as well. So that's instant hot water, just like your home. Come on out and see this awesome travel trailer at Keystone Trailers here at the Kitchener RV Show.